Gala Games at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after losing our horizontal line of support above the 0.01917, flipping it back into resistance. And at the time of this recording, we also continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.01775 and the 0.01432. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential reversal scenario and also give you an additive structure that is playing out from the highs we made above the 0.02366. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing an ABC corrective structure from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we got that initial bounce in the formation of that wave A, so pullback in the formation of that wave B, and then finally saw the formation of the wave C to the upper side, giving us a high above the 0.02371. And having seen an ABC corrective structure to the upside, I have been expecting a bit of a pullback to the lower side, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 7th of April down there to the high we made in the formation of the wave C. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.01773 and the 0.01431, which is the blue target area over here. And within this target area, I'm expecting that we can find support and then start a reversal to the upper side, bouncing back above our horizontal line of support above the 0.01917, managed to break above other significant highs, and also managed to break above the high we made above the 0.02371. And the moment that plays out, then we can easily see Gala Games push above the 0.025 in the next coming days. I also have an additive structure that is playing out from the highs we made up here after the ABC corrective structure, which is a 5-wave structure, having these as the wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave, and whatever is playing out over here could be the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, and then finally push a little bit lower in the formation of that wave 5 to the downside. And to just show you that the second wave over here did the minimums, I can connect the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, and the target area for the second wave was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and you can see that we saw a bounce into that target area, got rejected, and started this pullback over here, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave. And you can see that we have only managed to fully maximize the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.01631, and that could be the low for that wave 3, and the bounce that we got over here over the weekend could be the high, could be the move in the formation of that wave 4, and we could now be starting the formation of that wave 5 to the downside to also fully maximize our blue target area over there. And if that is the case, then using the fib extension, we can be able to identify minimum target areas that we can hit in the formation of the wave 5. So connecting the fib extensions to the lows we made in the formation of that wave 3, then the fib level 0.618 will be my next target area, and that lies above the 0.01202 as my next target area to the downside. So in case we continue pushing lower and maybe at some point we lose this significant low we made over here below the 0.0156, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves here on the Gala Games chart to fully maximize that target area down there. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.